Okay, we have Alien with us now. Hi, buddy. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
How's it going? Great cartoon
How's it going?
Friday about showing that boy and girl with their arms around each other, and the woman has a heart above her head, and I couldn't quite read what the guy had. I know it was market related. He was thinking about one of the better FX cartoons I've seen. So thank you.
Yeah.
So why don't you go ahead to the
Welcome.
screen share, and I saw some of your tweets. Okay, here we go. This
Yes.
is
Is it
this
working?
is S&Ps. Okay. Yep, we see it.
Okay. Okay, I wanted to start by showing the S&P from last Friday because it's bouncing, it's sitting, I mean, at the critical area, and if we are going to break down, this is going to accelerate the move we talked about the last time. I mean, to the downside to finish around, to accelerate the move to 1650.
Okay. So you're looking just for this. I'm calling this the Pope Pop. Tweeted that yesterday. And you think that the most it could generate is back to 1990, which was previous resistance on a couple of rally attempts.
Yeah. Friday we said could be this. I mean, this could be the bounce to. I mean, to take it a bit higher toward maybe.
Yeah, maybe we get to 2030 this time.
Yeah, but over the weekend I made my my global. I mean, recap, and I saw the correlation. I think it's looking a bit weak this time, and it found the rebound from an important area. It didn't break the 61.8 because last time we were calling for 13. It had to break the 61.8, but it just bounced from it.
I remember you were calling for 30. You didn't think. Yes. I remember I was talking 50, and you said, well, maybe not 50, but we could get to 30.
Yes, I thought it could, overshot the 61.8 level to reach this extreme, but it didn't, and that's a bearish signal for me.
Okay.
That's why I'm thinking this week maybe, or even now, we only get this this bounce. It's failing rally before continuing lower.
Yeah.
Because at the same time, I'm still the yen, the USD yen, is still holding this triangle with we showed last Friday, and in the shorter time cycles, this is only 3 waves, and if it doesn't break above 121, which is last week highs, this should go lower. That's why I'm calling this this rally on the S&P a failing one. It should be followed by this move in the USD.
Okay. How will we know? How will we know the extensiveness of bounces or completions or anything, any kind of indication, or you just don't know until after the fact? It's always that way.
No, because you mean this is an aggressive move to the downside, and the pair just starting consolidating in a triangle. So at least you expect an aggressive move to follow this one, even a fake one, even just a fake one here before going up again, because this was this aggressive move broke the support line, the last one we had here, and we never went back above it. So for now, you have to take the downside seriously. We need, you said, why not break it to the upside and retest it again? Yes, we can do it, but for now, it's holding the lines. So as I say, as always, trade what you see, not what you think. For now, it's holding the line. So for me, it's an opportunity to go short here with small stop loss and try it to the downside. That's how I do it.
Okay. All right.
Let me.
Reasonable.
No, okay. Sorry, to the euro, because the euro is for the same. Not the euro. Sorry, the pound. The pound is holding from 2 weeks ago. It's holding the, I mean, the long side. Remember, we called for this 50 back move, and we said from this one we will target 60, 62. Remember that? Dale?
This one I don't remember, but I do remember you being positive, and you did say prior to the Fed that we should go to 650, and that was spot on.
Yes, this is, I mean,
So-
that's the 4-hour chart was calling to 65, 56, then pull back before continuing higher. I mean, but the daily, we always say this, the pound is the strongest one, and
Yes.
it's always holding above the 50 back levels, which mean he's even stronger than the euro, because the
Yeah.
euro always made deeper pullbacks, and even this time, looking at the 4-hour chart, it's already past the 50 back and sitting at the 61.8. But if you check the pound, it never reached the 50 back of last week
Yeah.
rallies.
All you have
So-
to do is look at euro pound for that, and
Yes.
you know, that did top at an area you talked about a week or so ago.
Yes.
You think we're almost done with that correction?
I think the flag can continue. I mean, could continue a bit lower to test the 50 back. Let me show. I prepared in the
I was
other
thinking
method.
71, but you got 71.80. Okay.
Yeah, 71. It could extend a bit lower, but this should be providing a floor for the
Yeah.
euro weakness.
Because
That's
if
why-
you draw a channel and call it a descending triangle with a breakdown here at the lows, I think it measures, it was about a 200.
I mean,
Yeah,
okay,
up
something like this.
higher. Yeah,
So if you take this break,
yeah,
yes, something like this.
yeah.
Yeah, it could be. I
that's
mean,
pretty-
this scenario could be the alternative for euro. If the euro is going to be bearish, that could take the euro pound lower. Because I'm also considering the alternative as usual, because last Friday reversal was a stronger one, and
right at 61.8. Val
Yes.
and I talked about that on the before the Fed and after the Fed.
Yeah, I'm still considering this as alternative view, because for now I mean I'm bullish euro and pound. That's why I'm just considering this. If we have a strong breakout, maybe today or tomorrow, I mean below this below the 1160 area, I will go with this. But for now, I'm not going to try to short the euro, neither the pound. I'm just waiting for a bullish setup to join the party. That's all.
Okay.
But
All right. So
I mean,
why the bearish bias instead of the alternate count? There must be something. Is it S&P related? That
Yes,
gives you the
because
bearish bias, and the yen related.
Yes, the S&P and the yen, because the S&P, I did expect. I mean, Friday I did expect a bigger bounce from that area, the 9060, but it just sit there, and now it's looking a bit weak. So because strong areas mean a bigger bounce, and we continue higher, but now it's a bit weak. So this bounce could fail, and we go ahead with the downside, and
Okay.
even the yen for now, for the smaller structure, it's going to hold this high. At least we can get, even from this high, we can get a pullback, and this is I mean, after this we can decide either higher or down, but we will get this reaction. then we can go high or go down. It depends on the move. But from
Okay.
this angle, I'm bearish the dollar for now. I mean,
Okay.
at least for the next session, maybe.
Okay. Thank you, bud.
Okay.
What's going on with commodity currencies and gold?
And gold, I
Because you
showed
were
the,
looking for this rally to about 1,200 in the gold. I don't
yes,
think we quite got to the buy zone. I think you were talking like, I don't know, 1090, 1085, but gold had an even better week than the dollar being weak. The gold was a star last week.
yes, but gold, if you, I mean, with the lows holding from I mean July, and it's forming. I mean the pattern. Let me show how to switch to how to switch screens. I forget about. Sorry, one
So
second.
you would probably stop
Let me.
screen sharing for a minute and go to another screen for that.
Yes.
What
One
a
second.
handsome guy. Does your wife know you're lucky that she's lucky to have you?
Of course.
Okay, just checking.
Okay. So you are now seeing my gold
Yes.
chart.
Yeah.
Okay. So these patterns, I mean, it's holding an important area for gold. And last week, I said if it's I mean, if it's not going to make the reversal, that would be, I mean, strongly bearish for the gold. But it's holding above the 11. I
It's
mean,
about
1,000.
76 back, a little more than 61.8 back down there.
Yeah, but I was calling for. Let me. I need to
Yeah,
10,
we didn't get. Yeah,
not
we didn't
below
get.
1090, not
Yeah.
below 1090. But it
Right.
didn't reach it, and it holds the 11.0
Yeah.
level. It was a strong support, and we made the strong bounce. So when you look at the structure, you have to. I mean, let me go back quickly. It's a downtrend channel, and it's touched 3 times from the bottom, and you
Yeah.
expect at least an ABC bounce, and we are having A, B, and we are missing the C leg. So usual the C leg would retrace to the 50 back, which is 1190, and that's what I'm expecting for the next week. I mean,
Okay.
so it's a
Reasonable.
strong bounce, and looking at and this is the S&P, Dow Jones, Nikkei, they are turning bearish. So you mean you have to look for gold as a safe haven, like usual.
You're like
So
Mark Faber today. You're Dr. Doom.
why is that?
Now you're bringing bad news from outside the cosmos to us today.
No, that's not bad news. That's just trading opportunities.
Okay. All right.
um,
Canada
one,
surprise you? When I was doing that interview, Adam Button was bullish Aussie, and then I don't know, about 15 minutes later, it collapsed, and Canada exploded, and that's been a pretty tough trade. I think there were some Larians saying that Canada would be a good buy in
yeah,
the 131 level.
I have to admit, yes, I was
You're still
surprised.
looking.
Yes, I was surprised about the big bounce Friday. I
Yeah,
mean, I expected just a retrace to this area. I mean, a
yeah,
retrace to continue lower because it break the below the triangle, but the bounce was huge, and now maybe will be back to I mean to make the new highs above
yeah.
34. I, I
Okay.
was looking for this last week, but it didn't happen. Maybe this week. But at the end, we will get this correction. I'm still believing in this. I'm still looking for it because I was expecting after the breakout to at least reach this area, 28, 29.
Right.
But it held it above the 130. So
Yeah.
this is a bit strong, and this is good. I mean, if we are going to get this small move in euro to finish the correction. I mean, not this chart, sorry.
Where would
This one.
Okay, so you're looking to buy it a little bit above, right around the 112 level, 111.80, because 111.60, 111.80 was kind of a pivot point at many junctures. So
So,
you're
wait,
thinking that's where it comes in again.
could be.
Yeah.
I have to. I mean, the entry point could be anywhere around that area, but we have to wait to see a stronger reversal to confirm it for now. But at least if you are going to have this small leg, could be just this spike higher in CAD before we reverse it lower. So I mean, I'm I'm staying away from the CAD because it's choppy and we it can do anything for now. So because
Yeah.
last day to 200 pips in Friday session, that was crazy. So I'm
But
sticking
you,
with my. Sorry.
but if we get that rally to new highs and we diverge, et cetera, that could be a great shorting
Yes, of
opportunity.
course. If we
Yeah.
get this area, I'm waiting for this months ago. So
Right.
I
You've been
will
waiting for
definitely.
that for, yeah, during all this sideways action.
Yes.
Okay.
So this could be a opportunity to short it, but for me, my
So that
main
might imply
focus.
one more little dip in crude to drive it up there. What do you think?
Uh, the crude.
Who knows what's going to be behind it, but
Yes,
my
anything could
guess
be
would
behind.
my guess would
But
be sell off in crude would get it there.
mm, okay, if that's your call. Uh, yes, I mean, if
Maybe,
the crude, I
maybe
didn't
just
check the.
back to like 41, 42. That looks like an ABC.
No,
We
okay.
had A down, failing rally, and now we get a
Yeah,
C. If C is equal to A, where's that take us?
let me see.
Yeah,
Let.
you're just like me. You read my mind, and it's easy for you to
Okay.
say. Okay.
To 42,
Yeah, there you
40.
go.
Okay, around this.
42-ish.
Okay,
Okay.
something like this.
That
Okay,
might
could
be
be.
enough to take Canada up there, buddy. And then
Yeah,
we're on our way to 50, 52. All
yes.
right, I got it.
Okay.
I
But
think we have the whole world cased. We should make about $1 billion this week. What do you
yeah, we
think?
solved it.
That's so easy. Yeah, watching you explain it, all I have to do is follow your roadmap.
Okay, but for trading setups, everyone have to follow his plan. For
I
me,
know we're all captains of our own ship,
yes.
but
But
you're most positive the pound, and I understand that based on EG and
yep.
euro was caving before the pound finally gave up the ghost for a little while at 56 and a half. So
Mm.
yeah,
But
so
16 and a half, I mean, I really miss, I mean, I didn't took this one. I was
yeah,
waiting for it. It was a correction. I didn't expect it to happen Friday. I thought Friday we will just have a top and Monday we will start the correction and it could be a nice short-term opportunity. I mean,
yeah, I thought so too. Normally, like a day like you have on Thursday,
yes.
except what? I thought about this after the fact. We had Norm Linsky on.
Yeah.
I don't know, about 3 weeks ago, and he
Yeah.
gave us a date of September 18th in the euro, and that was the high Friday. Friday was
Yeah.
the 18th. So
The
pretty
18th.
pretty good turning point by Norm Linsky.
Ah, that's excellent.
Yeah,
He's the man.
you should know him. He looks at your planet through his telescope.
Yeah. He's calculating the
I
plan.
pay attention to some of his turning points. It's pretty good.
Yes, I saw he has some commodities calls that were excellent calls, and
Yeah. So
he's a great
besides
man.
you, we have other stars coming to LAR, don't we? If you want to
Yes.
be a star, you got to come to LAR, and then maybe you'll be able to afford a car.
Yeah.
You have a car?
Not yet.
Okay, you're just a star without a car. What do you have? A
Okay.
chauffeur, a limousine, driving you around Tunisia?
No, not yet. Mm.
Okay. So nice overview, buddy. Anything else you wanted to show us? Now that you've
Uh,
totally confused my bias today, I mean, when I look at the dollar index chart, I don't know why we can't.
I mean, you are calling for this one. Yes, we talk about this
Yeah,
rally. It's
yeah.
still.
You
I
know,
mean, it's
why
still in the
can't
plan.
that bounce that we had on the flash crash be
We,
A,
and this
and then
is
the
B.
pullback be B, and then we get something equivalent to it?
Yes, I mean this is still possible. I mean it held the fort 94 area, and we
Yeah,
had strong rally. I mean this is still possible. I didn't say it's not going to happen, but looking at other markets, I
right.
mean the dollar. I mean it's not moving alone. It can do a one stand move. I mean it can just do it alone. But if you take other pairs and you look at
Yeah,
gold, you look at S&P, it has to
yeah,
be a failing rally in the dollar. I mean, if it's simple. If next, I mean, if tomorrow it's going to make a strong candle above here, that's it. We are going to, with your scenario, ABC. But for now, it's holding the tops. Pound is not even below the 50 back, didn't even retrace. This is
right.
a bullish setup for me. If it reaches this area, I'm going to buy it.
I
Euro
get it.
still
So the
holding.
holistic view, and where would you re-enter the pound on the long side?
I'm,
Oh,
I
there
mean,
you
54.
had it there.
Yes, 54.
53, 54-ish.
Yes. I shared the screenshot Twitter. I will
Right.
reshare it
As
on
long as we
group.
stay above 350, the
Yeah.
bias is to the upside.
Yes,
Yeah.
because I mean it finished a bigger ABC, and it should continue for higher for now. Nothing says I mean says opposite. So for now I'm holding this buy still. I mean another update. It could be
Okay.
just in a few hours when the maybe a surprise comment from I don't know, but
Oh yeah, we
to
do have some Fed speak this week.
yes,
You reminded me. Yeah, Yellen's going to be
I
talking,
check
and
it with yeah.
I'm sure she's going to try and ameliorate the damage caused by her non-action
Could
last week.
be. Because I mean, if you're going to get this move to target 98 at the dollar, the S&P will definitely go higher to retest the 2060, 2050 area.
Okay.
That's it for money. It's a strong move. It's a strong bias for the dollar. It should be positive for the world indices. That's how it
Yeah.
works.
Why can't the dollar just rally back to 97 and a half, 98, that trend line, and fail from there instead of
Uh,
breaking out like you showed? You know,
this one
descending
failed.
triangle line there.
Uh,
And I think that's close to equal, isn't it?
Yes, it's close to equal at تكون but if you remember this structure, sorry, let me show one sec. This structure, I mean, I saw this one, so I called for this one. If you are going to see a similar pattern, it have to break. I mean, to make. Oh, you have a point. This one didn't reach the equal leg, so
Yeah.
it could be similar. I mean, yes, no, almost. Well,
Yeah, and maybe
because
that's enough for us to see
yeah.
your 2030 level in the S&P's 2040.
Yeah, you have a point. Yeah,
So
that's true.
I mean,
You
that's
can
what I'm
hold.
thinking. And then, if you didn't draw your line at a descending, just pretend the bottom line is flat, then you have a descending triangle, and that's how you get down to some of even your 261.8 would take us down to your 85 level, wouldn't it?
Yes, and this is also the 50, 61 8 back of the
But the
2014
measurement of
rally.
this formation was 92, call it 92 to 100 minus 8 gives you 84, 85, which is your target down
Yeah,
there.
yes, true.
Okay.
So
And a descending triangle is a pretty valid, if you're a dollar bear, you almost want to see a descending triangle, which is
yeah,
classically a reversal formation.
yes, and you
So,
wanna show it up here, so
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
yeah, yeah, it could be. That's I mean a strongly supported idea, and I respect it. So that's a good one.
Yeah, well, opinions are like, I'll use the polite word butts. Your butt is, you sit on it. So opinions are like butts. Everyone has one.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so that's my the view from my butt.
Okay. Yeah, I got that one.
All right.
Um, so I think that's fair enough for
Yeah.
trading your
Okay.
ideas.
You're getting some followers off Twitter by tweeting your ideas. Is it building for you?
Yes, I
Good.
mean it's fun just to tweet my thoughts and share it with everyone. That's what I'm doing for now. I'm relaxing and doing that to I mean to to kill time. That's what
Okay.
I'm doing.
Well, I mean it increases awareness of what happens in our community. So I want to thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. But thanks to you and everyone else in LAR. That's
No, thank you.
okay. Thank me.
No, say you're welcome.
No, I said you are welcome, Dale.
All right. All right. Well, thank you. Thank you again.
You are welcome again.
All right, buddy. Let's have a great week. Everyone thank AlienOvichO for his great overview. A lot of alternate counts. He has a bias, and don't fade Alien. So,
Have
great,
a great
great
weekend. Enjoy your
presentation
day.
once again.
Thank you, Dale.
All
Have
right,
a
buddy.
good day.
You too, man. Everyone thank Alien for that presentation.